Gated communities in Jamaica offer a variety of options, but many people don't realize the key differences between them. Whether you're considering moving into a pre-built home or building your own, here's what you need to know. In some gated communities, homes are already constructed, often in a uniform design. These pre-built houses come with extremely thick walls, much thicker than the typical custom-built homes. The thicker walls are likely designed for added durability, better insulation, and increased security, perfect for those who want a sturdy home without the hassle of construction. If you opt for a custom-built home, you get the freedom to design it your way, but with some limitations. There are building codes you must follow to maintain the community's standard. Before you can even start building in a gated community, you'll need to hire an architect to draw up your building plans. These plans must be approved by the parish council or relevant local authority before construction can begin. You'll also need a land surveyor to measure and verify the accuracy of your land boundaries. Gated communities in Jamaica offer a great mix of security, convenience, and lifestyle options, whether you choose a pre-built home with thick walls or a custom-built one. Just be aware of the processes involved, especially if you're going the custom route.